So one of the reasons I bought this particular greenhouse is because it's a lean-to greenhouse, and you can see that it's leaning onto the side of the house, and that's one of the reasons I bought it. It's very space efficient, and it's going to help me prolong the growing season by hopefully another month, right? We're in the 1st of October right now, so hopefully all of October it'll be hot enough in this greenhouse where some of the fruit will ripen. We're going to go over the greenhouse, inside the greenhouse, and then towards the end of the video I'll go ahead and show you how I built the greenhouse, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And when I came here this morning, it wasn't as hot as it is now. Now it's really hot in here. And if you look, yeah, it's over 100 degrees, right? 102 degrees about, which is crazy. So you can see mainly why I'm doing this. Some fruit over here has ripened, but if you look over there, down there, I have some fruit that hasn't ripened yet, and I'm trying to get those to ripen. Those, that's a Madeira white fig, so I'm hoping that it ripens. We'll see what happens. I also have a orange tree here, and what else do I have? I also have a raspberry right there. So you know, there's a lot of space in here. It's a nice little greenhouse. It's affordable. Like I said, it's a lean-to, so you can lean it up against the side of your house, and you can see how the shape kind of goes down like that. So this is a reason why I did it. It's one way to extend the growing season for your fruit, not just figs but anything else. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the description, and now stay tuned how I built this house. I'm going to show you how I put it together.